Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the name of your groups in Microsoft Teams. So if let's say you start a group chat, and once you start a group chat with a person or a group of people, what's going to happen is that it's going to automatically give that group chat names, right? So it's gonna pick, for example, a few names. To be honest, I'm not sure if it's random, but maybe it's a first person or your name and a second person. It's gonna basically pick some names and it's gonna create a generic title or generic name for the group chat. And so if you want to change the group chat, once the group is created, you will see on the top that it shows the name of the chat, and right beside it you will see a pencil icon, so you can click on that and rename it. So let's say I don't want it to say meeting with Martin, but I wanted to say, for example, DevOps, for example, DevOps meeting, for example, right? I can go ahead and I can name this whatever I want and click and save, and you can see right away that it's going to rename the group chat and it's going to show, for example, something like that. And so that's how you can easily go ahead and rename the group chat in Microsoft Teams. Very easy and very simple.